Hello, this is Hans, the Dutch guy with Much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the 9th largest city of the Netherlands. It's located in the province of Brabant and is called Breda. This is the way us Dutchies say Breda. Breda. There is a light emphasis on the last syllable. Breda. Breda. All the letters will be pronounced. Breda. I am going to visit Breda. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out. Tot ziens!